Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be a Savannah haul. We love Savannah hauls on this channel. I am obsessed. I think at this point more than half of my wardrobe is from Savannah. If you've ever shopped from Urbanic or Savannah, you are in for a reward.
Savannah is actually giving wallet cash to their loyal customers.
You get VIP access, free premium just for being a loyal supporter and customer of Savannah. And trust me, I shop from there all the time. I have shopped so many pieces from Savannah over the years. This is literally making me rethink every other shopping app on my phone. Checked my account and boom, cash waiting. But yeah, so over and above all of that, you get amazing flash sales from Friday to Monday. So many fabulous pieces on that app. No matter what kind of style you have, you will definitely find something on the Savannah app that suits your personality. They have something for everybody, and I always end up finding pieces that I absolutely love. In fact, I have to fight myself to not overindulge. And I know every time I go on the Savannah app, I am going to find something that I absolutely love and need to have in my closet. This dress is of course from Savannah, the one that I'm wearing right now, but I have so many amazing pieces to get through. Let's begin. So recently I realized that I don't really have a lot of shirts in my wardrobe, so I decided to pick this one. It's a really beautiful satin creamy shirt and it's such a beautiful color. It's gonna go with everything in my wardrobe. I have it like half tucked in right now. You can see the material is so soft. It feels like a hug on my skin. Right now I'm wearing it with the little mini skirt that is also from Savannah, by the way. I'm gonna link this down below for you guys as well. There are so many different ways you can wear this shirt. You can totally wear this to college or office. It's such a nice length as well, as you can see. I think it looks so chic. Even with like a pair of blue jeans, this will totally elevate your outfit. This shirt can give such sophisticated old money vibes. I love how it feels and I love how it looks. I love the color of it, and I know that I'm definitely gonna get a lot of uses out of this shirt because it's so neutral and so many ways to style a shirt, you guys. I also wanted to show you a little handbag that I got, and it totally matches my outfit right now, so I had to carry it. Look at this beauty. I absolutely love it. I picked up a similar handbag from Savannah in a red shade and I wear it so much. I loved it so much, so I had to pick it up in a similar tone because I do wear whites a lot. White is my favorite color for the summertime especially, and I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of this handbag as well. It looks so sophisticated, chic and old money. Look at the pattern on this. It's so nice and it's so well made, and it's also not very heavy, which I love because my handbags tend to get heavy when I put stuff inside them anyway, so I don't want the handbag to have a lot of weight on its own. And if you saw my last haul from Savannah, you must remember these sunglasses that I got, which also match my outfit perfectly right now. Look at this fit. Is this not so cute? I'm obsessed. So the next item I got are these jeans. This is going to be a pant marathon because I got so many different pairs of pants that I absolutely loved, and you are going to love. I have so many different pairs of different kinds of pants, straight leg pants, flared pants. These really awesome jeans that have been in my wish list for weeks now, and I definitely wanted to pick these up because you know low waist is trending a lot, but these give like an illusion of a low waist without being a low waist jean. It is literally like up to my waist. It's a really nice high waist jean, but it has this beautiful heart belt that makes it look so cool and so trendy. It fits really well. It is kind of stretchy, so it's very comfortable as well. You're not gonna get uncomfortable in this jean. Love how it fits around the butt as well, and it has these lines in the stitching going on the front, which makes it look so hot, and it gives like a really nice hourglass illusion on the body when your jeans have lines and cuts like this. This belt is so fun. There's actually a buckle right here that you pull this belt through, or if you don't want to pull this belt through the buckle, you can just leave it like this, and I think it looks kind of cute like that as well. The buckle is a studded heart, as you can see, but I think it looks cute kind of tucked in the buckle like that as well, and I love the shape of it. It's a really nice bell bottom kind of style. Love the detail on the back pockets as well. And of course I have to talk about this top. I love this top and this new fabric that they have. I've picked up this kind of fabric tops in like 4 different varieties. I absolutely love it. If you've seen my previous haul, I picked up a burgundy top that I really loved. I'm gonna put a picture of the top that I'm wearing, but it has the same kind of material, so super stretchy and fits your body really well. Love the cowl neck in the front. It's such a nice ladylike dainty kind of top, and I know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this. And now that we are on this top, I'll actually show you a pair of matching pants that I got to create like a beautiful lounge set. These are the pants that I'm talking about. Look at these lounge pants. I am obsessed with collecting beautiful loungewear because honestly this is what I live in. I work from home. I get ready when I have to shoot or go out. Otherwise, if I'm just lounging around at home, if I'm editing videos, which takes up the bulk of my time honestly, I'm chilling in my lounge pants. And these are just perfect, and I actually matched this set together. This is not a co-ord set. This top is available separately, these pants are available separately, but I thought together they would create such a nice comfortable lounge set. They are so comfortable and they fit so well. I know I'm gonna be living in this set. I don't like to wear ugly pajamas around the house. Guys, you should always invest in things that you wear the most. If you know that you're a girl that lives in leggings, invest in good pairs of leggings that make you feel amazing. And if you're like me who lives in pajamas, make sure they're not ugly, faded pajamas with marks or holes in them, and you're always living your best self, you're always living your best life in your best loungewear. So these are the items that I'm gonna spend most of my time in, and these are the items that I want to feel cute in, you know. I don't want to feel frumpy at home. I'm always ready for a moment if somebody wants to drop in, if I need to go out and get groceries, or if I need to go out and do something. I'm always a little put together this way. So yeah, that's why I got these pants, and I'm so glad I did because the material, it's just perfect for the summertime. Okay, this is the next pant I got. Of course, I went a little pant crazy in this video, like I said, and I love wearing darker pants. Since I have a pear-shaped body, I love wearing lighter tops and darker pants to balance out my body, and it looks really nice that way. And of course, when something has like a bell-bottom shape, I am obsessed. This shape is so flattering. It gives you like an hourglass effect, especially when things are tight around the thighs and then they flare out on the bottom. This mermaidy kind of effect suits so many different body types. I absolutely love bell-bottom pants, and again, these are super stretchy, so they're very comfortable, very breathable, especially if you're going to be out in the hot sun. You don't want to get sweaty and you don't want to have anything that is suffocating you, so these are definitely not going to do that. I think Savannah has been killing it with their jeans recently. I've been wanting to pick up so many of their jeans. I think they launched their amazing like whole jeans collection 2 or 3 months ago, and I've had so many of their pants in my wish list. I just picked so many of them up in this haul, like I said. If I tuck this top in, you can see these pants are actually super high-waisted, and they will make your legs look like they go on for days. My legs look so long in a pair like this, and I love how it makes me feel. They're very stretchy and very comfy, like I said, and I love the length on these. I could totally wear these with heels, which I absolutely love, and if you're a tall girly, then these are going to be perfect for you as well. And then of course, as you can see, I got this top. I'm actually trying to collect a little more tops that are not, you know, extremely cropped. Full-length tops have been very trendy recently. Even though I'm a crop top girl, I absolutely love crop tops. But I've been really into this kind of look, and if you don't like wearing low-waist jeans but you still want to create the look of a low waist, then you can wear a top that ends at this portion of your waist and it still looks pretty fashion-forward and trendy. I actually got this to match a lounge set that I already have. I'm gonna put a reel somewhere so you can see, but I thought this would really match my lounge set, so I could totally wear this for loungewear, and of course I could wear this outside whenever I want a really nice fun summery top. Again, this is also super stretchy, very comfortable, and looks so good. I have no complaints about this. In fact, this outfit is pretty simple. It's just the jeans and a top, but it looks so nice, doesn't it? Okay, you guys, these are the next pants I got. I love them. You guys know I am obsessed with animal print. I love all animal prints. Leopard print, snake print, zebra print. So these I knew I had to pick it up. These are just the perfect pants for loungewear. Even the pink pants that I showed you, they're also the perfect pants for travel. If you're going on a train journey, if you're going on a road trip, if you're taking the plane, these are such comfy, easy pants to wear. Again, the fabric is so amazing. Perfect for the summertime. I'm obsessed. They have elastic at the waist and I love how they fall. They're like a really nice straight fit and super comfy and relaxed. I'm wearing these with flats, as you can see, and this top that I'm wearing is very old from Savannah. This is a sports bra that I got from Savannah. If I find something similar, I'm gonna link it down below for you guys, but yeah, you could totally do a sports bra and then do like a shirt on top of this, and this would become a perfect travel outfit. And talking about travel, I got a bag that would be so perfect to travel with. Look at this bag. This is the perfect bag to travel with. I think this is the perfect bag to travel with. I think this is gonna be like my road trip and my flight bag from now on. It has a zip at the back to keep any important documents, boarding pass, you know, all of the stuff that you need handy. Then it also has a zip in the front. It has another zip where you can keep more stuff, and then it has a big zip, and then there are zips and compartments inside this bag. So there's tons of space to put your stuff in. I love like secret compartments inside my bag where I can put stuff in. It looks really, really chic. Black and gold is totally my vibe. I know I'm gonna get so much use out of this, and even if you're like being touristy and you're walking, exploring places, you could totally just have it in the front like this. And this also keeps your stuff safe, you know, because when you're going in an unknown destination, you don't want to have your bag at the back with the zip, so you want to have your bag in front of you like this, and you could be totally hands-free. Now tell me, am I not ready for exploration? I just need to put a shirt on top of this, and this is my perfect travel outfit. This is like my dream travel outfit. I feel so good in this, so I'm definitely gonna link this bag below for you guys. And look how stunning it looks, so chic from the front as well. The next outfit I got is this top. I absolutely love it. Burgundy is a huge color right now. They call it cherry red now, and burgundy is usually great around the winter season, but who knew this would be an awesome color for the summer season as well. So I've been picking up a lot of burgundy, and I think this top is so beautiful again with the cowl leg. I have picked up two tops in this similar like stretchy shiny fabric. I really like this fabric, and in my last haul video I showed you two tops that I picked up, and again in this video I needed to pick this up as well. And the blush pink one was also so beautiful like you saw. And then of course I got these jeans. These were also in my wish list. I love this studded pair of black pants. These are party ready. Look at these. Again, they're high-waisted. I will just tuck this top in and show you. So this is how they fit. The one thing that I absolutely love about their jeans is that even though I'm a pear-shaped body, so I do got some hips, I do have a smaller waist, so when they fit regular jeans, so many jeans that I've tried, if they fit this area, they don't fit this area, then if they fit this area, they don't fit this area. But Savannah jeans I love. Look, there is no gap on the back. So I love that these jeans are absolutely perfect. They fit so well. I wear a size medium in my bottoms and a size small on my tops. I think these jeans are a statement, and I love wearing darker pairs of jeans, but longer tops are in fashion now, so I like to have it out. And of course I had to get a matching bag. Look at this. Oh my god, you find such great bags at Savannah. They have so many luxury inspired bags that you can get at such an affordable price. This is such a beautiful bag. I'm obsessed. It looks so elegant, so sophisticated. You have this little lock in the front and then it opens up, and you also get like a sling strap with this bag. It's pretty spacious. You could fit your essentials in it, and I think it's so beautiful and it matches my outfit perfectly. So this is the next bag I got. Guys, you're not ready for this. I'm obsessed. I have no words. Just look at this royal Elizabethan beautiful corset top. Need to have it in all colors. In fact, when I tried it on, I loved it so much. I immediately placed an order for more colors in this. It is a full corset, you guys. There is boning, it has this beautiful lace on the bust area, and there is a stunning sleeve. It is so well fitted. In fact, you can customize how much you want this to fit you. There's a whole lace up at the back going on, so you can customize your fit. I am wearing a size small and it fits absolutely amazingly. I have no words. This is so beautiful, and there are so many amazing colors in this. There's a black one, there's red, there's a very nice pinky purpley one, and there's a white one. Oh my god, I want all of them. I cannot get enough. I love the length of this. It's not like a little crop top. It's fully boned and fully corseted, fully laced up at the back. You need to pick this up. This needs to be in every girl's wardrobe. This is such a sexy, stunning piece. And of course, these pants that I'm wearing, these are also from Savannah. I've showed them in one of my previous hauls. If you follow my videos, you must have seen these. If I find them, I'll link it down below for you guys. And this is so comfortable, you guys. If you want to like really snatch your waist, you can totally do that with this. Right now, I'm wearing it kind of comfortably, and I can easily like put my hand inside, so there's a lot of space. It's very breathable right now, but if I wanted to, I could really like tighten it up and snatch it at the waist area. Okay, this next outfit is a little bit of a mishmash of a very feminine top and kind of unisex bottoms like my previous outfit. This is how I like to balance out my outfit. When I'm wearing like a very feminine top, I like to have looser, straighter fit pants, and if I'm wearing like a very feminine satin kind of midi skirt, then you can mix and match it with a sporty top. This is how you can balance your outfit. Otherwise, if you like a very feminine vibe, that is also perfectly okay. You could totally pair this brown corset lacy top with a brown satin midi skirt, and that would look so elegant. But I really like how this top is. It has boning and it has this kind of V shape that gives you like a smaller waist. It creates an illusion of a smaller waist anytime a top has this kind of shape. And then these pants are really nice, beige, comfortable pants. They would be really nice for college, for office. Even if you wear like formals at the office, these are really nice. You could totally rock these pants at work with a shirt, and this would look so corporate ready. And of course, you'll be wearing pumps, not open toe shoes. But I think this is so cute. I love the feel and the color of this. It's so lightweight and really nice for this weather. And they fit really well. They're not extremely tight, but they're just perfect. Like I said, Savannah pants fit so well at the waist area. They fit so well around the hip area as well. If you saw my previous haul, I got these sunglasses from Savannah and also this really nice beige handbag. I'll find the links for these accessories as well and link them down below, but I think they look so chic with this outfit. These are the next pants I got. They're like an olivey kind of khaki greeny color. I didn't have any pants in this color and I thought this would be so nice to have, especially because it looks so amazing with nudes, with whites, and I love to wear nudes and whites in the summertime. And this pant is so well made and so well fitted. It is like this mermaid shape, as you can see. It's a boot cut pant. I told you I went a little pant crazy in this video. This tube top is also from Savannah, by the way. I will link it down below for you guys. I just picked it up randomly because I do shop from Savannah so much all the time. I keep ordering. I have so many orders coming in from Savannah all the time because I keep finding things I need in my wardrobe. And as you can see, this is like a nude and white combo with khaki, and I think it looks so chic. These pants, you can see they are so snug, and look at the fit. The fit says it all, and they're high-waisted and they make your legs look endlessly tall. I am obsessed. I know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of these. They are so amazing. This is what the back looks like. And it's such a nice, unique color. I got these sunglasses from Savannah. Look at them. I absolutely love this little dangly thing right here. It gives such an edge to these sunglasses. I've seen so many luxury brands do frames like this. I love this little dangly thing right here. They're this lovely black and gold kind of color that we're seeing everywhere right now. I love the black and gold. It goes with so many of my outfits, and it goes with my jewelry as well because I do wear gold a lot. And I also got this bag from Savannah. It's a really nice beach bag. This outfit is not very beachy, but I still wanted to show you this bag. It's so nice. You also get this little bunny ears kind of situation right here. If you want to give it like a little bit more personality, you can have the checkered black and white ears dangling in front of the bag. It is super cute. I love bucket bags and it has a lot of space inside. It's a full-on bucket bag, so anything I want to fit inside it. It is so good for like the beachy areas, for a vacation vibe, or even with a really pretty like sundress. I think this would look so cute. It's a really nice beige color, so it's gonna go with a lot of different outfits. Okay you guys, so I'm closing this video with this awesome lounge set. Like I said before, I absolutely love cute little lounge sets. So I'm collecting these awesome sets that I feel super cute in, and they're so comfortable. The fabric is so nice and soft and stretchy. They feel so nice, like a soft warm hug. This one has little lace details on the neck and a little lace ribbon that you can tie into a cute little bow, and the bottoms of the pajamas have a lace detail. There's an elastic at the waist. It's so comfortable, I cannot tell you. I can sleep in this. I got this in a size medium because I wanted the top to fit like a really nice flowy kind of loose fitting cord set vibe. This is going to be so cute for travel as well. You can put a jacket on top of this, carry a bag, wear some sneakers, and this could totally be like a really nice travel vibe. So comfy. I just want to sleep in this now. That is going to be all for this video you guys. All of the links to everything that I showed you are going to be in the description box below. Make sure you check them out and also use my code when you shop at Savannah to get some awesome discounts. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out my Instagram. I'm going to see you super soon in my next one. Mwah. Bye!